Let's go back.
Hey YouTube, what's up guys? And today we have a quick unboxing. So this is a mini portable Bluetooth speaker. This is from a company called Unbox. It's right here. It's on Amazon right now for $23.89. It has a 4.5 star rating, which is pretty good. This is a mini speaker, and let's go ahead and just open it up. I already opened it up. I've already tried it. It sounds really good for its size. It's really compact. It's nice and heavy. Plays pretty good. You can make calls on that, all that kind of good stuff. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So again, this is from a company called Unbox. We're gonna open this up. This is the mini portable Bluetooth speaker. IPX6 waterproof resistant, which means that you can take it to the shower, you can splash some water on it, and all that kind of good stuff. Let's go at the bottom of there and see what else in there. So in here you have a strap that you can put. Let me see if I can put it in there. Take a pin. I'm gonna put that like that, and we can pull that so that you can hang. So like this, you can hang this up in your shower or wherever. Again, this is from Unbox. It comes with your charging cable and also your 3.5mm jack that you can input stuff into it. Let's look at, you can see it's well made, metal material right here, logo right here, lots of rubber, nice rubber like material. So here you have your power button. Here you can take your calls from your phone. Here you have your, this you can use for two things, your volume control and also your next track and previous track on there. So here you have your charging area and your input area right here. So you can use that cord right here to input your music from your phone if you choose to. This is gonna play music from both sides, so you're gonna have songs coming from either side. In here you have a built-in 2000 milliamp power battery. In here you have 20 hours of playtime, and it takes 3 to 4 hours to fully charge this. So let's go ahead and try this out. We're gonna take my device and you're gonna press and hold for a few seconds, and you can see right here it's starting to blink. That's what you want. You're gonna go into your settings, go into your Bluetooth area, open your Bluetooth, and you're going to look for the device. If you don't see it here, you're gonna scan, and when you scan you'll see there the A106S, and that's what you're looking for, guys. And once you do that, it's connected. You can control your volume right here. Lots of bass on here, guys. You can feel the vibration in my hands and music coming from both sides. Pretty good bass on there. Press and hold. Next track. In this country, yeah. So guys, this is on Amazon right now for $23.89, and again from Unbox. I will leave all the link and everything down for you guys below. Check it out. This is Charlie, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. I'm out.